So Saipriya, can you tell me what is encapsulation?
Yes, encapsulation means data hiding, means the variables and methods are hiding in sorry, that will be encapsulated in one unit.
Mm-hmm.
Is means encapsulation. In encapsulation we used the getter and setter methods are used, and we achieve the encapsulation. Other words, the variables or methods are declared as single unit. We call the encapsulation. The encapsulation is achieved by getter and setter methods, and in that the variables are we put in private.
Then what else?
In encapsulation, we use abstract methods.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So let me share my screen. See, what is encapsulation? So encapsulation is nothing but you can say, is my screen visible to you, right?
Yeah, no, sir.
Not yet.
Yes.
Okay.
No.
So see, now is my screen visible?
Yes.
So
The
encapsulation
data.
is, sorry?
Okay, you can continue.
Yeah. So encapsulation is a process, or you can say it's a technique. What it would do is it would bind the data members. So data, when you say member variables and behavior together in a single unit. So when you say encapsulation, so what comes in your mind? In your mind, you will get something similar as a capsule.
Something. Capsule, yes.
Right? What is capsule? So capsule is two things. So it's a combination of two things, right? So that will be put together in one capsule, and that we are consuming whenever we are sick, right? So similarly, encapsulation also is a thing, it's a process or it's a technique which will bind the two things, data and the behavior, right? So member variables and the methods together in a single unit. That is encapsulation. Okay. So that is the definition. Now, what is data hiding? So data hiding is a technique in object-oriented programming. It is also known as information hiding. So it is to hide the data from the outside world.
Yes.
So that it is not misused. Yeah. So that is also known as data encapsulation, data hiding. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now let's move to the next question. What is package in Java?
This is the default package. In writing the program, we create the package. In the package, after package, we create the classes, right?
So package is nothing but it's a keyword, right?
Yes.
So package, you will write that particular package, and as the name itself suggests, right? So it's a group, it's a pack of similar types of classes and interface. Okay. So classes with similar type of functionalities are put together inside the package. So the programmer, or when we automate also, we create the package and add the classes and interfaces inside that package. Okay. So that is nothing but it's a package. Now, which are the different types of packages that you are aware about? Okay, no worries. See, there are two types of packages in Java. One is user-defined packages, one is built-in packages. Okay, so user-defined packages are nothing but if you are working on an application, or if you are working in a project, right, you may need to create one or more packages in the application. Okay, so you would be defining your own user-defined packages. Okay, your packages might be having one or more classes and interfaces inside it, right? Whereas built-in packages are nothing but those packages are already available in Java. Okay, now which are the different methods of string class?
Constructor.
Uh-huh.
Constructor.
Constructor. Constructor for
Yes. Overloading and override.
overloading and overriding. Okay, so you are telling about polymorphism, right? See,
Different.
if you get this question, which are the important which are the useful methods of the string class, right? So you can give this kind of examples. So I'll show you few of the examples. Mm, hmm. See, this is the method of the string
Ah,
class, integer length. You are aware about these things?
yes, these are the data types.
Yeah, these are the
Data types.
data type. Yeah.
In
So
the
tell me, okay. So, okay, tell me which are the useful methods in the string class.
primitive methods and non-primitive methods.
Sorry.
Primitive and non-primitive.
Okay. So that are data types in Java, the primitive and the non-primitive. Okay. But string is actually one of the most widely used data type. Okay. So which are the
Yes.
important methods that you will have in string that you are using in string? Important methods of string class. Shall I help you with this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, no worries. Let me share my screen. See, integer length. So these are few of the methods that I have mentioned here. Apart from this, there are many other methods which are useful. Okay, so integer length, what it would do? So it will return the length of the string. So length is equal to the total number of characters in the string, right? So what you will do is whenever uh, you have to find out what is the length of some particular string that has been given to you. So you can just write s1 dot length. Then boolean equals object. So it is useful to compare two strings. It will return true if both the strings are same. It will return false if both the strings are not same. Okay. So s1 dot equals s2, right? So if you have two strings, s1 is, let's say, Sai Priya, s2 is, let's say, Priya. So s1 dot equals s2 will return false. Then boolean equals ignore case, string another case. So in this case, even if the strings comparison is done, but even if they are in uppercase or lowercase, it will return the true if both the strings are same, and it will return the false if the sequence of the character is not the same. Then boolean starts with string prefix. So it will check if a string starts with the string is represented by the prefix. Okay. Then integer index of string. So used to search if a substring exists in the given string. So for example, Priya exists in the Sai Priya string. Okay. So that is the substring. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Which are the data types in Java that you are aware about?
Long, short, float,
Mm-hmm.
boolean, string. String
Mm-hmm.
is non-primitive data.
Okay.
Byte, char. These are
Okay. What is polymorphism?
um, these uh, these concepts come in overriding codes.
Right. Polymorphism. So yeah, there are two things. One is method overloading and one is
Loading and
method overriding. Hmm?
overriding.
So, but what is method overloading? Sorry, what is method overloading and what is method overriding?
Uh, over method means they have the more methods with the
Hmm.
same name, but the different arguments,
Hmm.
different parameters.
Hmm.
Overloading, it will we use the extends keyword. Overriding means we will uh, acquire the knowledge, inherit the so child class from superclass. We acquire the all properties from child superclass to subclass.
That is inheritance. Right?
Overriding means they have the
Uh,
different same name. This is a special implementation. They have the
mhm.
same method and same class. And for override, we use the extend keywords we use for override.
Okay. So can you write a simple program on
Yes.
method overloading and method overriding? Okay. So I'm giving you screen sharing rights. You can share your screen.
Okay. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes, it's visible. So this program you're writing for overloading or overriding?
Overloading.
Okay, okay, fine. So can you put at the top, it is overloading so that uh, I'll be able to, yeah.
Override. Like, can you say?
Yeah, yeah. So you are doing,
Actually, I forgot this. I know, but actually,
okay, okay, no worries, no worries. So let me share my screen and help you with this thing.
I
Uh,
know, but I'm not able to remember right now.
okay, okay, no problem, no problem. That's totally fine. See, don't get nervous in an interviews at all.
Okay.
Hmm? The moment you will get nervous, no, then you won't be able to recall the concepts also. Okay, fine. So now let me share my screen. Hmm. So this is on method overloading. Okay. So what we have done here is we have declared a class sum, which is public. Okay. And this sum method, so this class will take two parameters, integer parameters. Okay. So it will take integer x and integer y. So it will perform sum of two integers, integer x and integer y. Then this particular sum method itself we have used here. Now this particular sum method, it will take 3 integer parameters: integer x, integer y, integer z.
Yes.
So earlier it was
Different
taking 2.
parameters.
Sorry?
Different parameters with same name. Oh.
Correct. Right? So it takes 3 integer parameters. Okay. Now we have again overloaded it. Right? Now this particular sum is taking 2 double parameters. So here data type was integer. Here data type is double.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we are using it into the main sum as per the different integer data type 2 parameters, integer data type 3 parameters, double data type with 2 parameters. Okay, so this is an example of method overloading. Clear? Now let's look for method overriding as well. So let me. So overloading, if you are not able to recall in an interview, you can say that you are overloading, right? Overloading means something that has been overloaded. So in life, sometimes we get overloaded due to the workload that we have,
Okay.
right? Overloaded. So that's how you can try to recall in an interview. Overloading means same function, but different parameters or different data types also. You can call it overloading. Now method overriding. So here we have one base class, which is class parent. Okay. And see, when I asked you method overriding, you were telling using extends keyword. So you were going in the right direction. Right? And then you have got inherited class child extends parent.
Yes.
So it is overriding void show here. Okay, now what you are doing is you are defining main class, main method. Okay, now here you are defining the object of the parent. So object 1 dot show. Okay, so you can say object 2 dot show. So this is how you can tell about method overriding in Java. Okay, fine. Now tell me, what is abstraction?
Abstraction is a method. Is also the WUMS concept. It will the unwanted data will not show and only expose the what you want the user. For example, the ATM, we don't know the internal process. We know only it shows the what customers want. Like
Okay,
it will hide the implementation.
implementation.
Yes.
Right, correct. Okay, fine. Okay, what is try catch?
Uh, for for handling the exceptions in Java, we use the try catch block. The try is the for manage the if any errors are found, it will take in the particular block. If any errors are there, it will manage in the try block, and in the catch block, it that found the error, it will catch the errors and it throws an exception, throws the keyword. Try.
Try catch block. Okay,
Yes.
right. So what is happening is in Java, you can have exceptions. Now, exceptional handling is an important part. So you can do exceptional handling by using try catch block.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. In the these are the
So
runtime errors.
yeah. So there are various exceptions that you might get. Okay. So
Yes, not file not found exceptions, automatic exceptions.
right. So try is always written with a catch block. Okay. So Java
Yes.
catch block is used to handle the exception and must always follow a try block in a program. Okay. Now,
Yes.
a single try block can have multiple catch blocks. Okay. Fine. Now let's move to the next question. What is final class and why is it used? Any idea on that?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Your voice is not.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Now am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Suddenly, the host was leaved. Okay,
Oh,
right now.
okay. Okay.
But
What is final?
uh, the final is the keyword. If
Mm-hmm.
these are used for the constructors, variables, or for data types also we used. Once we final it, we can't change that, and for final keyword we not possible to override.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is final?
Final is also the block here,
Mm-hmm.
that it will clean the management, means if any errors are that found, it will give the uh, complete code for
Mm-hmm.
clean and complete code. The main aim will be clean up the resource management.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Fine. So see, final, you can make variable, you can make final class, and you can
Audible,
make
sir?
final method also.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So final keyword declares a variable, method, or class as unchangeable or unextendable. Okay. When you
Yes.
declare a
Final,
variable as final,
it
yeah.
can't
Please,
change.
please go ahead. Yeah, please go ahead.
Once we implement that final, we not
Mm.
change it. It will applicable for blocks, variables, for constructors,
Right.
and we use the final keyword. Finally is the block.
Correct. Correct. So it's a final is a block. So final keyword, once you declare the variable as final, right? Its value cannot be modified. Right?
Okay.
And when a method or class is declared as final, it cannot be overridden or
Mm.
extended by any of the subclass, right? So that is the meaning of final.
Mm.
Okay, Saipriya, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, what you are told answers all I know, but
Uh,
sometimes it will not able to answer it, and not get in mind.
right.
Actually, from experience persons too, I was